What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if apps are not working on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all update all the apps. So to update, open Play Store, tap on your profile icon and then tap on manage apps and device. Now tap on updates and from here update all the apps, and after updating these apps the apps will start working. But if you are still facing issue after updating a app, then for example if your YouTube app is not working, tap and hold on the app, tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory. So to clear cache memory, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory the app will definitely start working properly. So that's how you can fix if apps are not working on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.